Hi everyone, this is Chunyu and this is my e-portfolio for ESL Tech 2011. This is my website. You can see here, I divided to three parts. Homepage, it has three posts about the three takeaway I get from this class. Here is my topic is about cultural appropriation, and here is something about me. I'm a third year geography student. I like traveling, dancing, learning new language, and you are welcome to talk to me about anything you're interested in. You're always welcome here. So this is the topic for this class. Is a cultural appropriation. Cultural appropriation is about when a dominant culture takes something from a minority culture and use it for fun, entertaining, but the dominant culture doesn't have enough knowledge to use the minority culture appropriately, so it could be very offensive. Here's some example I took from this website. It's written by Keelan Arnold. Keelan Arnold is a former USU alumni who is currently teaching at the university. So in his blog, he mentioned that this one like in this dancing video, the white dancers are put on this stank face, which he calls blackface. Uh, the white dancers are trying to, using their facial expressions, they think is what the black dancers do when they're dancing, but it is actually not. It is very offensive for the African American culture. This is a little organization that supports the indigenous settler people. In their website, they have something for like cultural appropriation and other topics, like settler colonialism, white privilege, colorblind, decolonization, things like that. It's a pretty good website. You can check it out. Here are three takeaways from this class. So, procrastination. I'm a procrastinator, so here's some advice from me that works well for me. I break up the final project in the class into small goals first, so the whole project doesn't seem too intimidating at the end of the semester. Like what we did with this e-portfolio, we break it down to small project and create a study space with limited distraction. It's very important because when I study, I always try to check my phone, talk to people who's sitting next to me, so eliminate the distraction is a good strategy. Here, reading online. For me, I like to change the brightness of my computer. I always install an app who can change the computer light to the blue light. It's very comfortable for my eyes. And second tip, create a good reading environment. Like what I said, eliminate the distraction. The third one is preview the requirement of reading material, preview the reading, and raise your own question before reading material. It will help you to better understanding the reading. And last, group work. Group work could be very tricky, but here are some techniques to improve your experience. I think it's very important to get knowing your group uh, before you start, like knowing what are their strengths and weaknesses so everyone can work at their best. And second one, technology. I like to use Google Doc and Google Slides so you can know the process of the whole group. And I also like to communicate with my group member in social apps like WhatsApp and WeChat. And I feel like FaceTime is a good way to hold online meetings. That's my e-portfolio. Thank you.